Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
The question was asked on MEGL here. Stock took let's go back to the day. It's a fairly new issue. Went from 250 down to 8, popped up a couple of days ago to 22.5, now 1382 in here. And so a member asked me if this pullback was a buying opportunity. And I said, there's nothing in here that indicates that this would be a buy. So it takes off from 10, gets halted, spikes up, pulls back, finds support here at the 13 3/4 level, goes again, and then it wedged in here. And on this candle here, I said, MEGL coming into the apex of a wedge pattern, watch for pop or drop in the next 4 minutes. Sure enough, 4 minutes later, it spikes down, consolidates a bit, and now it's starting to roll over. So let's look at the different patterns here. You don't know this is going to be a head and shoulders pattern until it breaks the neckline, which is here at 1375, and it's done that, so that's a bearish sign. So there's your head and shoulders pattern. So that's a negative, and it's really going to start to drop off here. But when it was in this period in here, you had this sharp drop down. Shorts cover a bit, but what happens is this is technically a bear flag in here, like this, or call it a bear flag. And so it's consolidating in that area, but when you get a drop so in this case this would be a bull because it popped and the momentum is up. But here you got this sharp drop off and then it's trading sideways. There's a lot of overhead in here. And there's a lot of people thinking, oh, if this can just get back to where I bought it, I'm going to, I'll be able to sell into that. And it never really occurs because too many people are selling. And the shorts know that, so the shorts are shorting it. And the buyers that are bag holders are trying to get out. So, and look at the volume. There's no volume in here to push this thing higher. So this thing is just going to fall under its own weight, the volume drying up. You get these big pops, and then as it comes off, the volume dries up, and it's going to just end up selling off sharply. So no indication that there's a buying opportunity in here. Not yet. Now it may consolidate and find some support and trade sideways and wash out all this overhead before, and then maybe if the volume comes in, it can go again. But as of now, chart is very bearish. Head and shoulders pattern breaking the neckline. Look for it to trade to 13 for starters. That's this area here where it got halted. That'd be the support level.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Reach new levels of trading proficiency. Become a member at turbotrading.biz.